Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the sum of first n terms of an AP. By using this formula we can find the sum of n terms of any AP. By using this formula we can find out the sum of the n terms of an AP. Here the sum of n terms of an AP is given by the formula Sn. Here Sn is sum of n terms, and n is the number of terms, and a is the first term, and n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. And another formula for the sum of n terms of an AP is also given by Sn equal to n by 2 bracket a plus an. Here an is the last term or nth term, and a is the first term, and n is number of terms. And we can write this formula in another way. Sn equal to n by 2 big bracket a plus l. L is what? L is the last term or nth term. Last term or nth term. Now we are going to illustrate this formula with help of example. Children, can we find the sum of 2, 7, 12, 17 and 22 by using this formula? By using this formula, yes, we can find the sum of this AP by using this formula. So first we are going to write the first term. A is equal to 2, D is equal to second term minus first term. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and the number of terms is here how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the value of n equal to 5. So we can find the sum. So Sn, children, we know that Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S5, the value of n is 5, because we are going to find the sum of first 5 terms of this AP. So the value of n will be 5. 5 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d. The value of d is 5. So it will become 5 by 2, 2 to the 4. 4 plus 4 into 5, 20. 5 by 2, 4 plus 20, 24. 2 1 are 2, 12. 12 5 are 60. This is the sum of the given AP. So we can find the sum of all these terms directly by using this, without using this formula. But we can also find the sum of this AP by using this formula. So the next question is, if the number of terms are more than 5, for the same question 2, 7, 12, 17, 22 and so on up to 20 terms. Up to 20 terms. So we can find the sum of 2, 7, 12, 17, 22 up to 20th terms. Up to 20 terms. So we are going to write the first one. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5, 7 minus 2 5, and the number of terms n is equal to 20. So children, we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of d is here 20 upon 2, 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d. D is 5 is equal to 10. 4 plus 19, 19 5 19 5 या 95 is equal to 10 into 99 is equal to 999. This is the sum of first 20 terms of the given AP. Thank you, children.